Very good morning, dear students. Police DAV welcomes you to the GK virtual class. Students, today we'll be doing page 41 traffic signs and page 42 entertainment.com. Let's go through the learning outcomes. At the end of this topic, you will be able to identify the various traffic signs and name them. Secondly, you will be able to tell and mark the correct option after going through 3 pictures related to the entertainment world. So let's begin the topic with an interesting funny video. Look at this traffic policeman, how he is doing his job in a funny and interesting way. Let's know something about the traffic signs through this video.
Hey Elvis, yesterday a traffic police stopped my dad and asked to pay fine. My dad paid the fine, but I'm not sure why he did so. Your dad must have broken a traffic rule. A traffic rule? What is it? Traffic rules are the rules implied by the government of a country for the safety of the people on the road. Traffic rules help people to drive in a disciplined manner. Please, could you tell me more about traffic rules? Sure, why not? To learn about traffic rules, let us go out. What does that 20 signboard indicate? That's a speed limit board. It says 20. That means the vehicles should maintain a speed of 20
kilometers per hour
while driving. What does that horn sign and capital P sign with a strike and a school sign indicate? That horn sign with a strike indicates that you should not honk unless it is necessary. Also, capital P sign with a strike indicates that you should not park your vehicle near the school, while the school sign indicates that the driver should watch carefully and drive slowly as there is a school nearby. Oh, now I get it. Why there are no vehicles parked besides my school. Vehicles are parked only where there is a capital P signboard. You should park properly at the given space or else traffic police will impose a fine. I don't understand why that capital U sign is inverted. That's a sign to indicate that you can take a U-turn from here. If there is a strike on it, it indicates you should not take a U-turn. Oh, I get it. What are those lines and the line next to it meant for? That's a good question, Jimmy. It is a zebra crossing. When the signal turns green for walking, people walk on it to get on the other side of the road, and the line before it indicates that the vehicles should be stopped before the line.
Okay children, let's do page based on traffic signs. First sign means there is a school ahead. Second sign means that no trucks can pass through this area where this sign is put. Third is pedestrian crossing or zebra crossing, जहाँ पे पैदल चलने वाले लोग रोड क्रॉस करते हैं. The fourth one is U-turn prohibited. Prohibited means not allowed, कि इस एरिया में आप U-turn नहीं ले सकते हैं. Next is the sign showing men at work means आगे रोड पे कुछ लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं. Next, narrow road ahead मतलब आगे जाके रोड नैरो हो जाती है, कम चौड़ी हो जाती है. Next is railway crossing means आगे जाके एक रेलवे क्रॉसिंग आएगी. Next sign shows two-way traffic. Next is the sign of parking means आप अपनी गाड़ी इस एरिया में पार्क कर सकते हैं. It is meant for parking. Then sound prohibited means कोई साउंड करना अलाउड नहीं है उस रास्ते पे. Especially in some army areas you can find this sign. Speed breaker means आगे रोड पर एक स्पीड ब्रेकर आएगा, so you should control your speed. Then last is no right turn means आगे right turn नहीं है. Children, now let's start page number 42 entertainment.com. First question is, in which country are the most films made? सबसे ज़्यादा films किस country में बनती हैं? And we are proud to say the answer is India. Second question, which country was the first to begin a regular TV broadcasting service in 1936? And the correct answer is Britain. Third question, the name of the heroine of film Titanic is after a flower. Which flower is it? And the correct answer is rose. Question 4 is, where in India is Film and Television Institute located? And the answer is Pune. Question 5 is, which comedian film star has the maximum number of books written on him? Let's watch this video. Hope you had a hearty laugh and must have guessed the answer also. Yes, the answer is Charlie Chaplin. Last and question 6 is, which is the most expensive movie ever made? And the answer is Titanic. So here we finish today's topic. Do these pages in your book and complete your work. See you soon. Thank you. Take care.